let's get rid of this brake squeal once and for all. I'm going to use some brake parts lubricant and put that on the back of the pads along with the guide pin, and hopefully gets rid of it. First, let's get the caliper off. Before I take these pads out, I'm going to compress the piston back. Preferably, you want to take out the brake pads to service them and fit grease behind them. However, I couldn't get them out, so I'm just going to add grease to any of the metal-to-metal contact, like right there, and where these calipers push this brake pad in. Alrighty, these are the final results. I just went ahead, slabbed a little bit of grease there, and then behind these pistons as well. I'm going to put it back and let's see if this worked. I'm going to pump the brakes and then just to get some pressure back in the lines. Once I feel that, I'm going to stand on the brake and then tighten it down. Also, don't forget a little bit of Loctite on these bolts. It's the next day, I got a rider, and it worked like a charm. No more brake squeal, brake noise. I'm really happy. If you guys got brake noise, first clean the rotors. If that doesn't work, go ahead and do what I did. And thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and you know what to do. I'd really appreciate it.